Here is the case study, enterprise asset management. So in this case study, we'll be doing working on the 4 roles. One of them is production planner. Then we'll go for production manager, then shop floor worker, and then another one is the shop floor worker. So 3 roles, 3 employees are involved. And this case study should take not more than 60 minutes. So we have 8 steps. So the first step is we will create the malfunction report. Then we'll create the maintenance order from the same malfunction report. And then we'll release the order. So once you release the order, you can start working on the problem. Then we will confirm the order that is technically complete. And then we'll do some analysis for the final cost, accounting for the maintenance order, and then analyze the cost and finish the order. At the end, we'll display the order history. Okay, so let's go with the first step, create malfunction report. So we'll go with the logistics, plant maintenance, and then we'll go for the maintenance processing. We'll create a notification, and this time it will be a special notification for the malfunction report. So we'll report the malfunction, what's going on. Okay, so in this one, we will see now let me increase the size of this case study so we can see it easily. So in the description, I'll be writing circulation fan defective. So there's a problem in the fan, okay? So that is being defective, so I can increase the size. And this is what I will be writing in my description. So let's find it out. Where's the description? There is a description. So we'll write the description as a circulation fan defective. So now I'll go for the functional location, okay? And then we'll look for the object area as well, in the object area. So where is the object area? Here is the functional location in the object area. I'll go with the functional location. I'll search for that. By the way, what is the functional location that we'll be working on? Okay. Okay, let's see in the description. In the description, for example, if I did not enter anything and I say press enter, what I will get? Okay, I'll get all these things. So we have a shop floor that we are looking for, okay, in this functional area that we'll be working on. So if you see that, double click on the shop floor. This is the one that we'll be working on. So I can click enter. So I have the shop floor. Now I will go for the equipment. So the equipment number is, so we don't know. Let's go back. And I'll go for the equipment number 100 is 100,000 00. And now my 3-digit code. Yours will be like 561, but mine is 000 because I'm an instructor. So I'll be working on this equipment. Okay, something went wrong. So let's go and find it out. 10000, and then I'll be having like 3-digit. Okay, I have to go for equipment by equipment list. So let me find it out by. So let me delete this part. Equipment by equipment list. Where is that? Equipment by equipment list. Okay. So in this way, we can find it out. And I can say equipment number is 10000, and my 3-digit code is not 561. Mine is 000. So you can enter your 3-digit code, and this is the circulation fan. Press enter, and I'll go for the execute. So if you see here, I got the equipment number. If I press enter, so it will tell me, okay, circulation fan and the shop floor is there. And automatically I got the responsibility, who is the responsible, planner group, Dallas group. Work center is this maintenance work center 01 in the maintenance Dallas plant. So that is what we got. Now, okay, in the subject long area, I'll be entering this part. The circulation fan does not work correctly. Okay. In this part, in the long test, I will enter this part and then I'll say exchange filter. Huh? I can just do the copy paste. Exchange filter. So this is my problem. Problem of the. So now you can verify that all my information is like that. And I entered this part. Now in the responsibility area, this is my responsibility area. Okay. In this part, I can see P00, which is planner group, and in the Dallas is there. Maintenance 100 is a workstation, and this is my Dallas maintenance plant. Okay, and then I'll go for reported by. So the reported by is this one. So learn minus pine is 000 because I'm the instructor. I have this part. And then malfunctioning, and we'll keep it there. Will not do it. Okay, now we'll look for item area, and that is vent 1003. Okay, so in the item area, do we have the item area? In the item area and the object part, I will say vent, and what is that? Vent 1003. Okay, so I can go for vent 1003. So this is how the filter comes in. This is the object part. Okay, in the object part. And now I will add vent 1002. This is filter wear as damage. Okay, as damage. So this will be, I can just type it up and then I say 1002 because I know that. I press enter. It mentioned the bone filter. The filter is no good. Then I'll choose normal wear and tear in the cause code. Okay, this is normal because over the period of time. Cause code is, okay, I can just type PM minus 2000, PM minus 2000. Okay, and then this is 1004. So if I press enter, you'll see that I got normal wear and tear. This is done. And I'll enter in the cause text, huge dust accumulation. Oh my goodness. There's a huge test. Okay. So cause text is huge dust accumulation. So this is how I enter my report for my notification. Okay, so the notification is done. Now, what is that? So we have done this part. Okay, responsibility is this one. This is maintenance is Dallas 00, learn 000. This is my, and malfunctioning start on this date. End date we didn't type because once the job is done, then we'll do the end task. Ventilation, so it's 1003, 1002, and huge dust accumulation. Fantastic. So we have done all this part. Now we'll go for the activity tab. Okay. So we'll look for the activity tabs. So we have the activities here. Now in these activities, by the way, when we start the notification, and this is the notification status. What is this for? Outstanding notification. Outstanding notification. We can go back. So yani we just created, so it's still outstanding because nobody worked on that as we are just creating. So now in this one, we'll choose PM00, okay? In the code group, PM01, sorry, code group PM01. Okay, this is my, and then in the activity, I think this is activity go to replacement spare part, enter the text replacement filter. Where is that? Activity text. Okay, this is code group and set the activity code to replacement spare. Activity code. What is this? Activity code. So we will go with the replacement spare. Okay, and is 2, that is replacement spare. Activity text is replace the filter. So I will be replacing the filter now. And now we are done with that. Okay, this was my task. So now I can go back. Okay, so and I will not close the screen. I will not close the screen. What I will do is I can just go back from here because is there any? No, no, I can just go back from here. 1 second. 1 second. Data will be lost. Do you want to save? Okay, it didn't say the save yet. I just say cancel. I want to stay on the same line. Okay, this was the activities. I'll go for the notification. Okay, in the notification part, because I was in the activities, okay. So, okay, I do have the order here, okay. So I can, from here, I can click on the order to create the maintenance order. So I don't want to leave the window. So if I leave the window by mistake, I just saved it. So I made them. So what you can do is you can come back and do the notification change from this one. But now since I did not close, I'll just click on this button to create the maintenance order, to create the maintenance order and order type. So I have to tell the order type, which is maintenance order, maintenance order PM01. So I can say PM01 is the maintenance type. Press enter. So now if you see the status is changed from what was that? OS outstanding notification, OSNO. So it is changed to create. Okay, it's created the maintenance order. And if you want to see, okay, and then MANC is material availability not checked, and this is date are not updated. Okay, so these are the 3 statuses that comes automatically when you create the notification. Now we'll check for planning plant. So Dallas 00 is the planning plant. Okay. Order type. And then Dallas 00 is the planning plant. BI00 as a business area. Where is that? This is a Dallas plant. Okay. Where is the BI00? BI00 is the business area, and Maint 01 Dallas as main work center. This is the main work center. So where is the business area? Where is the business area? So most probably, if you Dallas as a planning plant, BI as a business area, this is the place that will continue. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So we have already done this part actually. So when I typed the PM00, it was Dallas plant, and then BI00 was the business area that we just overlooked. Okay, so business area is already done. Now we can click on the change to the operation tab. Okay, operation tab. So where is the operation? There you go. So we can go for the operation tab. 10 is already done. 10 is there. So what we have to do is in the operation number, so we'll change from circulation fan to defective to exchange filter immediately. So we'll change. It is defective. I say exchange filter immediately. And the work hour is 2. Where is the work hour? Is 2. Okay. And the unit is hours. I can just type H, or I can just go and search for that. Okay. So something went wrong because we are not Now, number is 1 and duration is 2. Okay, let's see. This is unit, hours of work. Number is 1. What is that 1 for? Okay, one number is 1 and duration is 2. And duration is 2 hours. And the unit is H. Okay, so if I press enter, I should be okay. Maybe number 1 item, only 1 item is there. Choose calculation duration from drop-down list and enter M labor type. Okay, this is calculation duration from the drop-down list, and M labor is the activity type. So we are done with that part now. So work effort relate to the work that must be done. Okay, the number must be related to the employees. Okay, so open another operation by clicking in the new line, that is 0020, because so this is one operation and now we have another operation that is for testing. So in this line we'll say operation functional test of the, so in the operation I'll say functional test. Is there anything else we need to write? Okay, this is already done. 2020 is already done, 0020. And now the time is 15 minutes, by the way. So 15 minutes is enough. MIN is the code. And I think then we have like, there's one item that need to be done, 2 hours. Oh no, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. And then this is like calculate duration. And then this is M labor, okay? Because we are M labor for N00. So now we have maintenance work is for 2 hours and 15 minutes is for the testing of the function, whether its function is working fine or not. Now we'll go for the, okay, now we'll mark the operation number 10 and then we'll go for internal. Okay, so we'll go for now mark your operation. So if I mark my operation, which is like here, and I click on the internal, it will go automatically to that part. Now we have to specify. Now we have to specify the material number that is required. So material number required is filter. So component that is required, I can search for that component. It is FLTR1, is that right? FLTR1, and my number is 000. Press enter. So I got, yeah, so this is the one. Is there any description that I need to enter here? That's it. And I'll choose one for the quantity. This is choose one for the requirement quantity. And that's it. And no, we have item category. Okay, in the item category, I have to specify, how about this one? Base unit of measure. Okay, that's fine. Item category. Item category is stock item. So this is stock item. I can pick S stock item. This will be L. And then I have to specify the storage location. Okay, what is that? Oh, special stock. No, this is not a special stock. Let's go for storage location. This is my storage location is Dallas, Miami. Okay, so this is done. So that's it. So I'll pay to the fact that amounts are of positive value. Yes. Okay, now I have to save. Okay, so when I save, it will save my order, and it will save my notification number as well. There you go. I clicked on that. This is my step 1 and step 2. I can just open the Word. I can open the Word and I can say, okay, this is my step 1 and step 2. Okay, and if now I have to be careful, okay, guys. This is the place where you made mistake. It is 87. And if I click something different button, then it will be 88. Okay, then I won't be able to see in my system. So let's go and see. Now we have to exit. You answer the question appearing, you must be no. Okay, so when I exit from here, this is my exit, and then data will be lost. Do you want to save? No, we have already saved. So this is an empty one. So this will make you from 87 to 88, okay? So say, no, 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 we don't want to save. And that's it. So we are protected now. Okay, so